Don't forget you need to identify first the number of valence electrons para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung ilang tuldok yung ilalagay ninyo. One, two, three, four. One, two, three. Nitrogen 4. 5. Okay. Tandaan, pagka plus sign, ibig sabihin nagbawas. Kapag ka negative sign, meaning dumagdag. Resume recording. Okay. Strontium is an atom, not an ion. That's why we didn't put bracket. Taas and right. So, yun lang. Okay, sige. Sige, we'll accept. Sige. Aluminum has 3. Okay? So, we may write 1, 2, 3. Basta each coordinate may laman, bago ninyo ipagpares, okay lang. Next. Number 3. Iodine has a negative sign. Ibig sabihin, ion ito. Ngayon, negative, nag-gain siya ng electron. So, from 7, kasi 7 ang kanyang valence electrons, di ba? 5, 6, 7. It gained 1. So, dapat meron kayong 8 na dots dyan, tapos negative sign. May nakakuha ba? May nakakuha na number 3? Okay. Ngayon, paano naman sa number 4? Potassium plus, okay, cation. Ang ating potassium, isa lang yung valence electron. Ngayon, isa na nga lang binigay niya pa. So, ganyan lang. Okay? Bracket and then plus sign. Why? Because this plus sign is already an equivalent to 1.
Wala pong bracket sa akin.
Pero may plus.
Opo.
Sige. Accept next time may bracket. Kasi ion. Next. Number 5. Aluminum. So, nag-donate siya. Nagbigay. Ilan? 3. Shopee. Sige, tanggapin mo, bayad na yan. Sorry. Okay? Commercial. Aluminum, meron siyang 3. Ngayon, nagbigay pa siya ng 3. E di ganyan lang din ulit. Okay? So, Al and then plus, sorry. 3 plus pala dapat. Kasi binigay niya 3. 3 plus. And then number 6, nitrogen na merong 5 na valence electrons na gain ng 3. So, from 5, it will become 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ilan ang kanyang nakuha? 3 negative. So, were you able to answer the same answers I have? Parehas ba tayo? Okay. So, kindly chat yung inyong scores. Arlene, you stay, i-tutor kita. Paki-chat so that we can record that as your seat work today. Then, you are saved for today's seat work. So, dapat kasi dalawa, but unfortunately, hindi tayo na umabot sa ionic bonding. Wow! Next! May nag-perfect. Framework. Okay. Sige. So, quiz 2.3 tayo on the next meeting about valence electrons and Lewis dot structure. Any question before we end? Magstay lang si Arlene, no? Ma'am, may asing pa po ba? Dahil mabait ako, wala. Walang asing. Tayo mag-async. Asing-asing pa, hindi naman nyo ginagawa. Kayo talaga. Patanong-tanong pa to si Raymark, di rin naman gagawin. Okay, sige. So, ito na nga lang, ito na lang ginagawa natin. Pero meron ako ibibigay na as in worksheet sa inyo at the end of next week. So, yung anohan, project, quiz rad. So, kung wala na, you may leave this meeting and then I will meet our